Use a brake fluid tester. Brake fluid is a type of hydraulic fluid utilized primarily in hydraulic brake applications in cars, motorcycles and trucks. It plays an important role in the overall brake system of your vehicle. Most people, however, have no knowledge about its proper care and maintenance. The fluid should be replaced and changed regularly because moisture can contaminate your brake fluid over the course of time, resulting to an improperly functioning brake system. In fact, the leading cause of driving accidents is attributed to brake failure. This is the primary reason for the development of the particular device known as the brake fluid tester, which measures the amount of moisture in your brake fluid. Here are some tips on how to use a brake fluid tester. Get the brake fluid tester. When testing your brake fluid, you would need an efficient and working brake fluid tester. The test works by directing an electric current through the fluid, which measures resistance, indicating the amount of moisture of your brake fluid. The product is readily available in the market and you could choose from a variety of the said device depending on your particular preference. Some brake fluid testers are easier to use, especially the more advanced ones, and are relatively easy to handle and carry. Try searching the internet for the most practical brake fluid testers out there. For obvious reasons, you would need to have safety glasses and if possible a pair of gloves. These would prevent the fluid from contaminating your eyes and hands, which could lead to a lot detrimental health effects. Calibrate your equipment. Calibrating your brake fluid tester is important in order to obtain accurate and precise results. Check your equipment if it is properly calibrated. If not, follow the set of instructions that goes with the whole package. It is important to keep in mind that each and every brake fluid tester has its own proper way of calibration and that you need to use the procedure that is applicable for your particular device. Usually, you would need to test the device on a sample fluid until a light-emitting diode, LED, in your brake fluid tester lights up. Test your brake fluid. Most brake fluid testers would need you to use the said device onto your brake fluid and wait until it makes its reading. Most of them actually follow the same set of procedures, which starts with you dipping the test bar on the fluid for about 2 to 3 centimeters deep. Set the device on and take note of the readings, which usually include the quality of your brake fluid and its moisture content. Clean and store your tester. After completing the test, clean the test bar until it is absolutely free of any fluid. Store the device in a safe and dry location. It is important to take note that if your brake fluid's moisture content is high, you would need to replace the said fluid immediately. This would keep you safe from any vehicular accidents involving brake failures.